we start today we start the question based on linear inequality. Okay, so solve 2x plus 1 by 3 greater or equal to 3x minus 2 upon 5 minus 2 upon 5 x belongs to R. Here it is given x belongs to real number. Graph the solution set. Graph the solution set on number line. On number line. Okay. So this is your question. Means first of all, you have to trying to find the value of x which satisfying the given inequality. And here it is given x belongs to R. So no doubt your value of x is in a form of interval. And you have to also express the solution set on the number line. Okay. So first you write your given in equation 2x plus 1 upon 3 greater or equal to 3x minus 2 divided by 5. Understand? So you write in this way. Here you see that the LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. So you multiplying both sides by the LCM. So if you multiplying here by LCM 15, so you have 5 times of 2x plus 1. 5 times of 2x plus 1, and that is greater or equal to 3 times of 3x minus 2. 3x minus 2. Now multiplying, so 10x plus 5 greater or equal to, here you have 9x minus 6. 9x minus 6. Now what you do? You have to subtract 9x from both sides. So if you are subtracting here, adding minus the 9x here, so here you have x plus 5 and is greater or equal to minus 6. Here you have minus 6. So x, now subtracting minus 5 from both sides. So here 5 is cancelled out. So you have x is greater or equal to minus 11. So here you have x is greater or equal to minus 11. So in which way you can write your answer? Here it is given x belongs to real number. Here it is given x belongs to a real number. So you can say the value of x is, you write in this way, that is greater or equal to, so you have minus 11 to infinite. Minus 11 to infinite, you have to write in this way. Understand? Now, if you want to represent the solution set on number line, then what you do? You have to draw a number line here. Here you have minus infinite. This side here you have infinite. Okay. And suppose here you have a point which is minus 11. And so no doubt 0 is also there. So your value is in this value here you see that minus 11 point is included. So you have to make here a dark circle. And yes, you have to take here dark circle and then you mark an arrow towards right side. Towards right side, just you bold it. So in this way, here you have your solution. Mark arrow towards right side. Understand? And you have to take here at a minus 11 point. You have to make a dark circle. Means that point is included here. Right. बेटे क्लियर हो गए सबको? How
Yes,
you?
sir.
Okay, in this way you can that means plot your solution set on number line. So already you done such type of that means results in set theory, means set of real number as in the form of interval. Okay, yeah. So right, next question, the same type of question. That's right. Solve x upon 4 greater than 5x minus 2 upon 3 minus 7x minus 3 upon 5. 7x minus 3 upon 5. You have to solve this inequality and graph the solution set on number line. Graph the solution set on number line. Okay, note that. Right. X by 4 greater than 5x minus 2 divided by 3 minus 7x minus 3 divided by 5. Now, in the same way, here you take the LCM of 4, 3, and 5. So, what is that? What is the LCM of 4, 3, and 5? 60.
60, sir.
Yeah. So, LCM is 60. So, you're multiplying each of the term by 60. So, if you're multiplying here by 60, so you have 15x. Okay. And that is greater than, if you multiplying here by 60, so you have 20 times of 5x minus 2 minus, if you divide here, you have 12 times of 7x minus 3. You have to, okay, in this way, here you have your result. Now, just you multiplying here, so 15x greater than 100x minus 40 minus, here you have 84x plus 36 plus 36, and just you write one more step, 15x 15x greater than, here you have, just you solve here, so 10 minus 4 6, and yeah, 16x, and if you solve here, here you have 4. Now what you do, you have to subtract minus 16 on both sides. Okay, so if you are subtracting here minus 6, means adding here minus 6, so here you have minus x greater than, that we cancel out, and here you have 4. Now what you do, you have to divide both side by minus 1. So that's why it becomes, means negative number, so inequality is also changed. So here you have x is less than 4. Here you have x is less than 4. Okay, so if you write here x is less than 4, and so what is your solution here? So in this case, you can write x is equal to minus infinite to 4, and here you write open interval. Here you write open interval. And if you mark the same on the number line, then what you do? Here you draw a number line that is minus infinite. Here you have infinite. And suppose here you have a point 4, and 0 point is here, you take here 0. Okay. And your solution is lesser than 4, not equal to 4. So you have to, that means to draw here a circle and mark arrow towards left side. And this graph represents that your solution is in between, that is minus infinite to 4. Okay, write it. And this also show that 4 point is not taken. The number 4 is not taken. That be lesser than that. Yeah. So everyone getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so right, next question. Solve 3 times of 2 minus x. 3 times of 2 minus x greater or equal to 2 times of 1 minus x. 2 times of 1 minus x. And here it is given x belongs to r plus. X belongs to r plus. What does it mean? X is a positive real number. R plus means here x is a positive real number. And you write here about r plus, where r plus is equal to x such that x belongs to r and x is greater than 0. Here it is given x is greater than 0. Okay, understand? So you have to solve the given inequality under this condition. X belongs to r plus, and here r plus is defined as x belongs to r, but x is greater than 0, means positive real number. Okay, and also represent the solution set on number line. On number line, you have to represent it on number line also. Oh, that is your question. So first you write your inequation, which is given 3 into 2 minus x greater or equal to 2 into 1 minus x. Okay, and here it is given x is greater than 0. X is greater than 0. That is given. Now you multiplying here. So you have 6 minus 3x greater or equal to 2 minus 2x. 2 minus 2x. Understand? Now you that is adding minus 6 on both sides. So if you adding here minus 6, so you have 3x greater or equal to, if you are adding here minus 6, so you have minus 4 minus 2x. Minus 2x. Understand? Now you adding minus 2x on both sides. Sorry, adding 2x on both sides. So if you are adding here 2x, so you have minus x greater or equal to minus 4. And if you are adding here 2x, so that we cancel out. Now you dividing by minus 1, so you have x less or equal to 4. Here you have x less or equal to 4. So what is your, that means what is the value of x here, which satisfying the given condition? Here you have x is less or equal to 4, and this condition shows that x is greater than 0. X is greater than 0. So what does it mean? The value of x lying between 0 and 4. Okay. So if you, that means combining these two, that means condition, you can write x is equal to, here you write open interval, because here it is given not equal to 0. Here you have x is greater than 0. So you take here open interval. Okay. So x open interval, and here this point 4 is also taken. So you have to mark here close interval. Understand? So the value of x is 0 to 4. 0 to 4. Understand? Now, if you want to, that means draw this on solution set on number line. So you write here you have a number line and mark here minus infinite, and this side here you have infinite. Suppose here you have 0 point, and here you have 4. Here you have 4, and your x lying in between 0 and 4, but 0 point is not taken. So here you have to take a circle, and this be taken. So here you make a dark circle. Okay, so you mark arrow from 0 to right side. 0 to right side, understand? And this represents that the value of x lying between 0 and 4, you write here x. You can write here, yeah. So the value of x lying between in this way. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So just I give you a question based on word problem. Okay, so I dictate it, you trying to note it, है ना? चलो लिख लो बेटे इसको जरा आप. और if you just wait for a minute, so I share this question on that means actually the question is already shared with you on group in assignment. So I share in your screen also, if you just wait for 1 minute. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so just wait. You just wait, I share it. So your sixth question is, to receive grade A in mathematics course, one must get an average of at least 90 marks in 5 examinations. Okay. If Ragini's marks in first 4 examinations are 87, 87, 92, 94, and 95. Okay. Find the minimum marks of Ragini must obtained in the 5th examination to get grade A in the course. In the course means you have to find the minimum marks of Ragini in the 5th examination to that is getting grade A. So first of all, you have to assume here, let x be the marks of Ragini in 5th examination. Understand? So you write, let x be the mark of Ragini in 5th exam. In 5th exam, here you suppose that. No, here you have to give an the average marks is at least 90. Average marks is at least 90. So what is the meaning of at least? Means the average marks should be greater or equal to 90. Understand? So you write, since to attain grade A, average mark, here it is given average mark is greater or equal to 90. So this is the meaning of at least. At least 90 marks means what? Their marks be greater or equal to 90. So if you're taking the average of that, so how you finding the average? Means sum of all the marks upon 5, because here you have 5 examination. So you write all that. So 87, you write here 87 plus 92, okay, and plus 94 plus 95 and plus x whole divided by 5. Whole divided by 5, you write here, whole divided by 5 is greater or equal to 90. Is greater or equal to 90. Understand? You trying to solve it and find the value of x. That is your answer. Okay, note it. So if you are adding all, here you have 368 plus x greater or equal to, you multiplying here by 5, so you have 450. See, this side here you have 450, so x is greater or equal to 450 minus 368. 368, or x is greater or equal to 82.
X is greater or equals to 82, sir.
Yeah, x is greater or equal to 82. So in this way, here you have answer. So if here your value of x is greater or equal to 82, so what is its minimum marks? So your final answer is 82. So 82 is minimum marks of Ragini. So you're right. Hence minimum marks in 5th exam is equal to 82. You write in this way. Minimum mark in 5th examination is 92. Okay. Understand everyone?
Sir, answer is
Yes.
92.
Yeah, answer is 82. 82 is your minimum mark. Yes, right. Minimum mark.
Yes, sir, 82.
Yeah, write it. 82 is your minimum marks. In the same way, you write your 7th question. Yes, right. 7th question. The longest side of a rectangle is 3 times the shortest side. The longest side of rectangle is 3 times the shortest side, and the third side is 2 centimeters shorter than the longest side. Then the longest side. Okay. If the perimeter of the triangle, is at least 61 centimeter, find the minimum length of shorter side. Find the minimum length of the shortest side. This is your question. Note it. Just I remove this whiteboard, and you note here question number 7. Yeah, note question number 7 here. The longest side of triangle is 3 times the shorter side, and the third side is 2 centimeters shorter than the longest side. If the perimeter of the triangle is at least 61 centimeter, find the minimum length of shorter side. Okay, note it. So here you have to find the length of shortest side. So first you assume that be x. So are you noted?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so right. So first you assume here, let x be the length of shortest side. Let x be the length of shortest side. X be the length of shortest side. Here you assume. Now, just you see your question, what is given here. Let X be the length of shortest side. Here you assume. And then here it is given the longest side is 3 times the shortest side. So write about longest side. Longest side is equal to 3x. Here longest side is equal to 3x. Write it. Longest side is equal to 3x. And the third side, what about third side? 3 times the shortest side, and the third side is 2 centimeter shorter than longest side. Okay, so you write here third side is 2 centimeters shorter than longest side. Okay, so here you have 3x minus 2. 3x minus 2. Okay, now the perimeter is given. The perimeter of triangle is at least 61 centimeter. So you write about that. Perimeter is greater or equal to 61 centimeter. That is given. Now, how you find its perimeter? You have to take the sum of all the side. So here you have x plus 3x plus 3x minus 2 greater or equal to 61. Greater or equal to 61. And just you solve all that. So here you have 7x greater or equal to 63, or x is greater or equal to 9. X is greater or equal to 9. So you write in your answer is the shortest side is equal to 9 centimeter. In shortest side is 9 centimeter. Okay, note it. Shortest side is 9 centimeters. In such a case, if you have a linear inequality, means two linear inequality, so individually you find the value of x which satisfying the given inequality, and then you have to take its common value, means common values of x. That is your solution. Understand? So what you do if you want to find your first result, so here you have 3x minus 1 greater or equal to 5. Now adding 1 both side, so you have 3x greater or equal to 6. So dividing by 3, so you have x is greater or equal to 2. That is your first result, first equation. In the same way, you take here second one, 2x minus 3 greater than 7, or 2x greater than 10, and here you have x is greater than 5. That is your second result. So here in first case you have x is greater than 2, x is greater than 2, greater or equal to 2, and here you have x is greater than 5. So in which way you can say that what is your common solution? So that results can be very easily verified with the help of number line. So suppose here you have minus infinite and infinite, and here you mark 2, and here you have 5. Okay, so your first equation says that x is greater or equal to 2. So you mark here 2, and you, that means arrow is from right side, towards right side, taking this point. And for second one, here you have a circle, means 5, and you come to here right side. Understand? So if you see the position of arrow, what will be your common result? So that means no doubt your result is from 5 to infinity, but that 5 point is not taken, but this 5 point is not taken. So from this figure, here you see that your common solution is 5 to infinite. So that is your solution. So you write it. So x, the value of
Equals
x is
5. X
Yeah.
equals to 5 infinite.
5 to infinite. You have to write in this way. You have to write in this way. Okay? You have to write in this way. So if you want to find your common solution with the help of number